we are joined by Karthi Chidambaram and we'll take his reaction on the fact that Rahul Gandhi agrees with Donald Trump when he says that Indian economy is dead economy. He's receiving a lot of flack from the BJP by saying that it's just rumour mongering and buffoonery by Rahul Gandhi.
See, India needs the United States. The United States needs India. Both are large economies. We not only have trading ties, we also have people-to-people. And we will come to some sort of a negotiated settlement as far as trade is concerned. The American president has made many flippant comments in the past, and then subsequently gone on to have negotiated settlements with those countries. And I'm sure India too will come into an understanding with the United States, which will be fair and acceptable to both sides.
The government has said this is an ongoing process and the deal is still being worked out.
Trade negotiations are very painstakingly hard, detailed work. It will take time, and they have to go line item by line item to come to some sort of understanding. And I'm sure the negotiators, whoever the government has appointed, are aware of the ground realities, are aware of the political sentiment, and aware of the overarching environment, and will, take everything into account and negotiate a good position for India and come to a settlement.
Mr. Karthi, you seem to agree with the government more on this one. Do you really feel that Rahul Gandhi went a little bit further, saying India is actually a dead economy? Do you believe that or not?
As I said, the flippant comment made by the President of the United States of America need not be taken seriously, and India must negotiate soberly and calmly and come to a settlement with them.
So RG's comment is also flippant at that count, on that count. Mr. Karthi Chidambaram choosing not to answer that one, but he said that this is a negotiation that's going on, and the people who are in the backdrop of things, they are in the know-how that how to work out this entire deal. And he seems to be confident and agreeing with the government more on the entire Trump tariff round. This is Mosmi Singh in Delhi for India Today.